LizzyLue Skadoo, and today we're doing an unboxing video. That sounds better. We've got something that's actually pretty cool right here. We've been waiting for this for 3-4 weeks, somewhere in there. About 3 weeks, so I'm super excited that this got here because this is actually going to make at least the audio for the video better. So we're going to go ahead and get it out of this packaging. I need my knife. So we can actually show you, I can actually show you what we got here because it's pretty awesome. And it's in another box. Of course, it's in a box. Not a shipping box. It's in a shipping box, not its actual box. If I'd known that, I would have taken it out of the bag. Okay, there's that. Let me throw this bag away. And I'll put stuff on the floor because we got a puppy. What are you doing in the background over here, bud? He's just roaming under the blanket back there. So it just looks like the blanket's moving. Okay, so close the knife. Alright, so where's the opening for this? Because it looks like I can just pop it open. Okay, it's the sides. Get it out of this. There. Wow, it's not even in a packaging. It's like not in a proper package. It's just in this box. Alright. We got a new microphone. Look at that. That looks so good. But there's more to it than just a simple microphone. I'm gonna... Well, that's gonna roll off the table. I can't put it behind me because Slip's there. Okay, I'm just gonna set it in my lap. No, wait, that's bad. We'll set it there. There we go. Alright, I gotta break this box a little bit. There we go. Alright. Well, something went flat. What was that? Oh, it was those packing scent things. Alright, we got instructions. Set those there. Cords. Wow, there was a lot of stuff in this package. Alright guys, let me get it all out and then I'll show you what we've got. Trying to keep track of the stuff here. Anything else in this box? Hello? No? Okay, good. Oh. Smacked myself in the face with it. That's great. There we go. Okay. Don't need the knife anymore. Let me pull this over here. Alright, so we've got the cords for the mic right here. So that's really good. And we've got the pop filter. Wow, that's interesting fabric. Feel that, Dad? Feel that? That's weird. That's not what I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it like to be foam. That's strange. Wow, okay. Anyway, the pop filter and the wind buffer foam cap. Basically, this is going to go on the mic like this. There we go. It looks so goofy, but yeah. Alright. And then we also have oh, jeez. The scissor arm? Is that what this is called? Yeah, I think this is called a scissor arm mount. That's what we have here. Basically, I'll be able to set it on the side with, it also comes with the clamp, the C-clamp for the table. So we'll be able to sit here, and I'll be able to have it out of my way when recording. There we go. And then we also have the mic goes in this. I don't know how, but it does. Oh, I see. Okay. This will just be like a shock mount. This is the shock mount. It just basically, if I hit the mic with something or it falls, This will help protect the mic and keep it safe from getting damaged. Why are you crying behind me? So yeah. Alright, we're gonna do a quick break, guys, and when we come back, I'll have the new mic set up and we can test to see how it sounds. So be right back. Alright guys, the new mic is installed. You can't see it because it's kind of off camera. Well, you can see it slightly. I'm gonna move it here real quick. Da 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 da. And I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. There we go. It looks really good where it's set up. I'm gonna work on where it sets a little bit better, and like with the cord and everything, because it's a little, little wonky in a lot of places. But other than that, it works really well. I played with the settings a lot before I did the video, so let guys tell me in the comments below how you think it sounds. Just kind of give me some feedback, and if I need to change anything or turn anything up or what. You might have to deal with the little third of a circle in the corner here, but that's fine. That way it's close enough so you can actually hear me easily. Because it doesn't pick up any background noise, and that's not surprised that we actually have like 2 fans running right now and the AC, and it's not picking it up easily, so I'm very happy with that. But guys, we did get this mic from eBay. I think it was one of the last ones they had of this color, but it's the there's the brand name. It's a really good mic, and I'm happy with it so far. We'll have to test it with some horror games and different stuff like that to see how it holds up. But yeah, so guys, I think this is a very, 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 very short video, but it's a good update video on the new mic. So audio should sound a lot better now, and I'm very proud of that. Alright, guys, with that, I think that'll do it. If you do like this video and you want to see more from me, and especially want to see how the new mic is working, go check out my channel and subscribe. You're always welcome. Join the Skadoo Nation. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you got something to say, do it down in the comments below. I've done this out of order, and I know it, but I don't care at this point. And wow, my camera went fuzzy for a minute there. And guys, I think that'll do it. So be kind to one another, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Baby, your body got me so confused. I like the way it moves. I'll show you something good. Let me get close to you, close to you. I lost my mind. I want you to be mine. I'm hypnotized when I look into your eyes. I wanna be your girl. Do you like me? Do you like me, my boy? I wanna be your girl. So baby, please take all my love. My love is true. I wanna spend the nights with you. I'll show you some